All right, boys, it is race day. We went back to the house last night. We're only about an hour drive, so there was really no point in staying. Also, completely forgot to get fuel last night, so there was no fuel for the generator. So we've actually got to figure that situation out today. And we made some decent passes last night. So today we're going to go probably grab a little bit of food, a little bit of fuel, and then we're going to head back to Elk Creek Dragway for Killer Street. Shakedowns are at 3, so let's get a move on, see what we can get done. Boys, first shakedown here. We're gonna see if we can get ourselves a good solid pass. See what we can do. Let's get it. Y'all, it's hotter than a hoochie coochie out there, and we are done with the first shakedown. Got everything lined out. It struck the tire bad, so we're reverting back. Hopefully it doesn't strike the tire bad this time. It is hot. It is 98 degrees sitting here in the sun, so she's a warm one today. But we are out. What do you think about Starlink?
I love it.
You haven't had it for 30 seconds.
I love it.
Yeah, we got the puppy. She's chilling out. We got the Cashy.
I'm playing with Daddy Dave's car.
And we got Tookie Bear. So, we went over data. We've got everything adjusted. Loosened the shock up a little bit in the front. Timing retard back in it. Accidentally had that off. And let's see if we can go a little faster. I don't know the lineup. I think there's a possibility that we have the Hicks car, which is a blazing fast white fox body, but I don't know yet. We're still I'm not sure. I'm gonna go find out. But what's this guy doing?
Playing with Daddy Dave.
Cashin has also started to become obsessed with Street Outlaws. That's like yeah, it's a few years late. Yeah. RIP anybody running 77 north. All right, boys, we got Michael Hicks. First round, I forget what pair, we're a few down, so see what we can do. All right, here we go. We got ourselves a race against Michael Hicks here. Fast, small block Ford turbo car. If there is time to go out, the time is now. We didn't draw Ryan's Holly. Don't know how he managed that, but we are now gonna see what we can do. Get after it. Let's go.
Hicks making a lick. Houston was running him down, but Hicks, he had to put a couple pedals in there, but Mustang moving on.
All right, well, that was a spun a little bit. Should have put the traction control on, but had to take a whiff at it, you know, and we knew we was fast, so. At least it's really pretty where it's raining. It's gorgeous. What are you doing? We're all under here now. First round ducks, so we gotta get wet. I said nobody else can race because I can't race. Sheesh. Bad, boys. That wind was rough. It's all coming from that way. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not. Car's not strapped down either. I gotta strap the car down before I go too far. Dang, it's bad. That's crazy. Wow. Holy cow, dude. Guys, well, that is it for Killer Street. Look at this guy. That is it for Killer Street. We got drove away from, straight drove away from, but we've got some data to work with now. We've got to just find what this combo likes, because it's a completely different combo, and like we were just sort of being real easy on it. We knew what it would take to run a 530 in Little Gangsters, and
we couldn't do that at Elk Creek. We felt like we was going to go force.
I wanted to go force, but we got some good increments in the front. We got to pick up a little bit more in the 330, but probably next week, taking the family on another little trip. My little daughter has never been to Dixie Stampede, and if y'all don't know, she is a little bit of a daddy's girl, and I love her very much. And so when it comes to and this one over here, I mean, obviously he's with me all the time, but and the happy wife, happy life type thing, y'all know how it goes. Plus it's gonna be so hot. We're gonna go to Pigeon Forge, but before that, we may see if we can test somewhere. Wilkesboro, Mooresville, somewhere like that. So y'all say a prayer. Things like this, this is God's sign that wasn't today. Didn't want something, you never know. I'm not gonna, this could be God's way of saying there was gonna be some bad stuff happen, and I'm protecting you from it. So that's the way that I'm gonna take it. He is benevolent and omnipotent, and I've got, Cashton wants to show you his car. He's got Daddy Dave's Chevy too. What are you doing? Oh, I hope YouTube doesn't kick me for showing your. Oh. I know TikTok don't like it.
TikTok hates me.
Yeah, it's really weird. So, Starlink worked really well. Our little air conditioner worked really well. Fans are doing a bang-up job. The Royal King fans for like $60, they are the move. They are the move. So we're getting things lined out. We got a game plan on the RV, and we're going to hopefully get that bad boy going before the end of the season. I'm not too gigantic concerned. It's $40 a month for insurance. I own it, and so it's not eating anything really. So I'm pumped about that thing, though. I still think I can get it. I wasn't happy yesterday. Doing some research, I think we can get her going. I really do. Huge shout out. I know to Terry Harris for putting this thing on and dealing with all the racers and the hubbub and the commotion. Look at this guy. The Spooled Media.
My feet are really, really.
All right, boys. We are headed to get some Mexican with Corey Stamper with The Spooled Media. And that's going to be it. Here's another. I know y'all know this truck. I'm going to show y'all real quick. That's the Rotten Banana. That truck is so cool.
Stop for a second. I'm going to get out
man.
and throw my receipt up swing.
Old Zach Lovingood has got that thing sitting and looking so pretty. So just wanted to show y'all that gangster real quick. But anyways, guys, it's been an eventful weekend. Didn't expect for like a mini tornado to come swirling through here. But 77 north from 81 to the tunnel is completely blocked up. So we're going to let that deal wait for a minute and grab us some food. So, all right. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the